Are you tired of constantly cleaning dirt and mud tracks from your entryway floors? You need a solution that works as hard as you do. Meet the BEQHAUSE Dirt Trapper Doormat. This 20 by 32-inch powerhouse is a total game changer for your home. First, the dirt-resistant and absorbent material traps grime instantly, meaning your floors stay cleaner for way longer. Second, it features a reliable non-slip backing, so you never have to worry about the mat sliding around or causing trips when guests arrive. Third, it is completely washable, making maintenance a total breeze. Just toss it in the wash and it looks brand new again. Plus, its low-profile design means your doors won't get stuck every time you open them. This is the ultimate upgrade for your front or back door, and honestly, at this price, it's a steal. Don't wait until your floors are a mess again. Click the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon before the stock runs out or the price changes. Seriously, your entryway will thank you. Go check it out right now.